Hello everybody, welcome to Cat's channel, Cat's Nine Tails. I forgot the rest of that. Anyways, so I'm making this video because I am trying to avoid COVID, and at the same time, I need to feed my pets. So how do I do that to feed my pets and at the same time not to go out there as much, to look for food and essentials and whatnot? Well, I found a way to do that. So Amazon actually lets you buy pet food that you can find at your local store. And if you have Amazon Prime, you don't have to pay for shipping. So they ship it automatically because you can also put, you can ship it automatically. Like if your pet needs every month food, you would put to automatically ship you every month for food. And I think they give you a discount too. I think it was like 15% or 10% discount. I don't know. Don't quote me on that because I have no idea. And I'm trying to avoid all that COVID because my grandma. So with all that said, I'm going to unbox one of my pet's foods. I have a cat and I have a dog. I have a Pomeranian and I have a cute kitten if you guys haven't seen the video for that. But anyways, so I'm going to unbox that. I'll show you guys, the food, the whole thing. I already received my box. I was so happy. I was like, yay! At first I was like, oh, something cool is going to come. And I was like, oh, it's just pet food. But at the same time, I was like, yes, I do need pet food. Now I don't have to drive to my local pet store to get pet food. I can just get pet food at home. It's delivered automatically. Even the litter box is also delivered automatically. I will do a video on that. If you have pets, this will tremendously help you. So yeah, let me just cover my address. But anyways, I'm gonna unbox the pet food. So let's unbox it here. Okay, it's harder than I thought. Dude, it is what it is. Okay. There we go. Yay, kitty food. So you got kitty food, Amazon. Yeah, so healthy kitten formula. So I get it shipped every month to my doorstep. I don't have to go buy it. It's the same price or if not less, because if you pay automatically monthly subscriptions, they will send you immediately the pet food formula. So yeah, I definitely think this is helpful to buy off Amazon, the pet food, because that way you don't have to go out, like I said. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys that don't want to go out and you have somebody that can possibly, if they're exposed to COVID, they are in danger, like my grandmother, that she's in the background somewhere right there. Like my grandmother, or if you have some sort of health condition that you can't go out, I would say your best bet is just buy it off Amazon or subscribe to their Amazon, monthly pet food. I don't know about the cat litter box because the cat sand, I buy a different one that I will be reviewing. I'll be reviewing all the products for my animals that I use, that they are amazing, and I wouldn't change it for anything because I don't have to go to the pet store anymore. I mean, I only went to the pet store to get the essentials, like get food, get cat sand, and that's about it. That's all I went for. And now I even have a litter box that is the bomb. It's amazing. You don't have to worry about changing the bag or anything like that. And it's not going to leave any residue. It's super easy to change. I'm totally in love with the litter box. And at the same time, I was just kind of like, I'm spending more money on a litter box that I've had for 10 years. So why shouldn't I just stick to that? Believe me, you'll want to change your litter box because it's going to help you with all that work that you're going through with the litter box. That it's not worth it. After a while, I'm like, this was so easy. I could have just pour out the sand and that's it. But obviously you can't do that because if you pour out the sand with these other litter boxes, this is going to sound really gross, but like the piss, like the urination or whatever, it gets stuck and chunky and then it's nasty and it's on like residue on the sides of the litter box. So that's why people use, or at least I did, I use cat litter box sand, litter box bag for to put the bag first and then throw the sand on. So I got rid of all that. We're in 2021, so there's no need for that. Actually, in 2020, there was no need for that. And so now I don't need to use a bag on top of my litter box, or the kitty litter bag protector, whatever it's called. Anyways, so now I don't have to do that. Now I can just throw in the sand and just pretty much throw out the sand monthly, because I have a litter, a cat sand litter, that you can just throw it out monthly. And the whole thing, guys, I just throw it out. And I hope this was helpful to you. I'm losing my voice. Ugh. So I hope this was helpful to you. And I hope your furry pet has food that you can get monthly with a subscription with Amazon. And that way you don't have to go out. So I will make a video also on the cat sand that I was talking about and the cat litter box. So I will definitely provide you with that. You can also look at the links below that will also help you with the food that I use for my cat. She's super healthy, parasite free, the whole deal. So she literally has a healthy weight and has been maintaining that weight. So I have no complaints with the quality of food that I gave her. I've tried all the other foods. Eureka, I think it's called. There's some other food, Science Diet and all that stuff. I definitely prefer Purina one, and it's also cheaper. And at the same time, it's not trash. So I was just like, I don't want to give you like McDonald's or Burger King. I kind of want to give you something like gourmet decent. I obviously mix it every so often with canned food. Maybe that's wrong. I don't know. But it helps with the kidneys, because you giving them all the time dry food does not help with kidneys, because it's not always hydrated. So with the kidneys, at least give her a little treat too. So she has every once in a blue moon, she'll have one. Something that I forgot to mention, that I didn't mention in my video, so I added this onto that, is that you can unsubscribe and cancel whenever you like on Amazon, which in other brands, you can't do that. It's really difficult. I know there's a lot of brands out there that they're selling now, animal food, pet food, and whatever. It doesn't have to even be kitten food. They also sell dog food. But it's really hard to get it returned back, and then they give you a hassle. And I don't know, I just prefer to deal with Amazon. So that's why I'm doing a review on Amazon. You can skip whenever you want. You can cancel whenever you want. And it's just more flexible to me. And I rather have an all-in-one deal where I can buy everything on, well, pretty much animal food, from animal food to jewelry to whatever I want to electronics. That's why I go to Amazon. So I don't know, you guys can comment and tell me otherwise if you prefer a different brand or a different delivery service better than the one that I'm showing here on this video. I'll see you guys later. Please subscribe and like if you found this video helpful, and stay tuned for my next video coming up next week or so. I will do a review on the litter box and the sand. Bye guys, thank you so much. Hope you subscribe to my videos, or like if you do. If you don't worry about it, it's all good. Whatever you like, whatever your heart desires, do as you like. You can also just keep my channel in mind for the reviews, if that's all you're here for, to look for the reviews on the products. That's all good. Go do that. Bye guys. Thank you for visiting Cat's Nine Tails channel.